In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a passport-size photo in Canva. This is a super handy skill to have, especially when you need to create a passport photo quickly and don't want to make a trip to the photo shop. And the best part? It only takes a few minutes in Canva, which is a free, user-friendly design tool you can access right from your browser. First, let's head over to Canva's homepage. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. But don't worry, it's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the Create a Design button. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Custom Size. This is an important step because it's where you can specify the exact dimensions needed for your passport photo. In the Custom Size settings, you'll notice two boxes labeled Width and Height. For a standard passport photo, you should enter 51 in both of these boxes. This number is in millimeters, which is the typical requirement for passport photos. Once you've entered these numbers, hit the Create New Design button to move forward. You'll now see a new blank canvas set to the dimensions of a passport photo. The next move is to upload the photo you want to use. Over on the left-hand menu, there's an option called Uploads. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to upload an image from your device. Select your desired photo by clicking the Upload button. Or, if you prefer, simply drag and drop it directly into Canva. Once your image is uploaded, drag it onto your canvas. Take a moment here to adjust the positioning. Make sure it fits well within the canvas. You want your face to be centered without cutting off any part of your head or shoulders. You can easily resize and reposition the photo by clicking and dragging the corners and edges, all while ensuring that the image maintains its quality and resolution. Before you finalize everything, it's a good idea to review your photo. Double-check that it meets all the required standards for a passport photo, such as size, clarity, and an appropriate background. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click the Download button located in the top right corner to save your finished passport photo to your computer. You can choose your preferred file type, like JPEG or PNG, which are both great for high-quality prints. And there you have it. You've successfully created a passport-size photo in Canva. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to give it a try, and soon you'll be able to whip up passport photos at home in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.